So we are here at the Zadara booth at Cloud Expo Europe. Well, you are here as a new cloud storage provider. Can you explain a little bit about the benefits you have?
Of course, yes. So Zadara Storage is very excited to be here in Frankfurt in this Cloud Expo event, which is managed and very great participation and very good customers and partners. This is actually our second year, and we are seeing a massive growth in interest and also customer base in Europe, across in all the different segments.
What are the benefits for a potential customer if he's interested in your solution?
So today we just announced this morning a new customer. It's a German customer, RWE or RWE, an energy company, who is migrating his data from on-premise, which was based on EMC in one of the locations in Europe, to the cloud. So the decision for a customer like this and other customers to migrate into Zadara platform, if it's on-premise, service providers, or in the cloud, is because they want to make an environment which is much more efficient, cost-effective, with all the cloud benefits, the elasticity, flexibility, and so on and so on.
Well, you mentioned a new German customer right now. What is in general the adoption rate of German customers?
So in Germany, it's an interesting, people always say Germany is very lagging behind because of culture and very careful to move forward fast. So maybe last year it was true, but now we are starting to see that there's a lot of interest, and actually a lot of German customers are already using the clouds, even if not admitting anything, maybe not for everything. The main concern in Germany is really about the security, where the data is secured, how can I ensure that nobody can go into my data, that it doesn't go across the channels or whatever. So Zadara, in this case, is bringing a solution that very well fits the German customers. We are creating an environment which is totally private. So what we call, from this black box environment, we create virtual private storage arrays, and each VPSA, each virtual private storage array, is designated for a different customer, and he can create a NAS, a block, and soon object storage that is totally secured. We will not share the disk between different customers. He can encrypt it and keep the key, and he can see the data is located in the place where he wants to be located. Either it's in Equinix place, in like we have in Frankfurt, or in Ireland, or in one of our partners, or whatever. So it's very, very important that the German customers feel confident, and we see this adoption rate as they get the confidence, because the flexibility, elasticity, cost saving is very important for the German customers, just exactly like any other customer in the world.
What are in general the solutions you provide? So the various solutions for a customer.
Yeah, so we provide a hybrid solution which can be placed either on-premise in a customer data center, totally isolated. A second solution, which is exactly based on the same platform, can be in a service provider, and we have great service providers such as Telecity and the like that are running a service based on Zadara. Or in the cloud, so we have many locations around the world, from Australia to US, with AWS, and then we have a direct connect into the Amazon environment, where a customer can use the EC2 machines, use EBS, EFS, or S3, but when he needs enterprise storage, he needs more advanced features, higher performance, and so on, he can use from us. So actually, these three locations which we offer are very beneficial for the customers, enable him total flexibility and cost effectiveness. What he can also do a disaster recovery, let's say from his on-premise site to one of our cloud services around the world. He can migrate his data, he can share, he can do anything he wants as a true cloud enabler. But at the same time, we provide, like I said, the total security and the private environment, which is really, really important, that to make this environment so successful and good for the customer.
What is in general your vision for cloud storage and for Zadara in the future?
So in the cloud storage, there are different environments, okay, different solution in there. I think that there'll be a lot of changes in the environment. If we look at the traditional storage, they will have a tougher time to fit to this typical cloud requirements because they are so elastic, so flexible that they're not really designed for that. So it requires a totally new design. We, as Zadara and other providers, are seeing tremendous growth because we have the solution that fits these customers and are enjoying a fantastic time because it's customers start to get the benefits, understand it, the cost efficiency, and it will only grow and grow. And I expect that 2016 will be really the year of the cloud storage.
2016 is a breakthrough of cloud storage.
Definitely. We're already starting to see it now. If last year we were talking about mostly small to medium customers, now we already have customers in the petabytes, and this is something that's a big change.
Okay, we are here at Cloud Storage Expo, Cloud Expo Europe. So let's wait for 2016. Thank you for the discussion.
Thank you.
Thank you for our visitors, and see you next time.